The new AI series from Broan has been specially designed to ease the contractor's life. Thanks to the new Virtuo air technology, you can save up to 20 minutes per unit while benefiting from superior installation quality. Installing a fresh air system has never been so simple. The new AI series is available with side or top ports, and the two insulated ports are on the front of the unit for easy handling. Broan makes your life easier with its brand new universal brackets. 4 configurations are possible for a flexible installation. The unit can be suspended using the provided chains. It can be fixed to a single stud using the 2 brackets at the center of the unit. It can be fixed to the 16 inches apart studs using the brackets at the 4 corners. You can also fix it to the girths using the brackets at the 4 corners. Here is the new smart built-in assistant, Virtuo air technology. To make work even easier, the auto-balancing steps are indicated directly on the front of the unit. Simply follow these instructions to perform the installation directly on the LCD screen. Plug the unit into an electrical outlet and let Virtuo verify the airflows at initial setting. In a few seconds, Virtuo will display the maximum airflow value on the LCD screen. You can use the arrows to adjust the desired maximum value and press OK to confirm. Once the maximum value has been confirmed, configure the minimum value using the arrows and press OK to confirm. INS will display on the LCD screen. Choose the installation configuration using the arrows and by referring to the installation manual. Press OK to confirm. The installation types are the following: T1, fully ducted system; T2, exhaust ducted system; T3, exhaust ducted alternate; T4, simplified installation; and T5, simplified installation alternate. If required, you can, by holding the OK button for 4 seconds, modify the following options configuration: defrost, dry contact, override, and intermittent. To skip this menu, simply press OK. Your installation is now completed and balanced. The unit is ready to operate. To change the mode or to perform airflow verification, use the arrows to access the mode screen. Press OK to edit the mode and use the arrow to change it. Press OK to confirm selection. The real-time airflows will be displayed. If a pressure change occurs, Virtuo will detect it and will adjust instantly to maintain initial setting values at any time. If any change is made to the ventilation ducting or to reset settings, press on the OK and minus buttons simultaneously for 4 seconds. Use the arrows to select yes or no and press OK to confirm. Then perform the auto-balancing procedure. The new advanced touchscreen control offers even more. You can use it as an installation tool and configure the desired airflows directly in its interface. It's also possible to save and export an existing configuration for a future installation. For any other information concerning the installation, please refer to your installation and user guide or visit Broan.com. We are Broan, the industry leader in fresh air systems.